Welcome to another round of War Thunder Boys! As we can see here, we are loading into the game and receiving a trophy. What will it be? Will it be an avatar? No, it will not. It's Silver Lines. Now then. Man, shut your bitch ass up! That looks like... Yeah, that actually is gum. Kinda, yeah, you know. Anyways! Wow. 195 XP. That's a whole lot of nothing. Wait. By the way, people, why are you playing the ASU? That is not a good shell. Neither is that a good shell, nor is this tank any good at all. Like, yeah, you can snipe, but the turret is fixed. But you don't have it, like... Dumb person talking. No, you don't have a turret. I know ASU was like cute and stuff, but like guys could just, you know, it's like, I don't know, it's just weird. Get stick butt, lol. Do I take ZTZ? Probably, right? Yeah. Maybe I should have put on background music actually, so you can hear something. Cause this stuff is not gonna be edited at all. You're gonna get the raw version. Cause every time I try to edit this shit, I get some premium sound in CapCut into my video, and I can't find it. I removed all the sounds, bro. It's so premium on one Minecraft video, and I was like, nah. You know what? I have enough. So yeah. By the way, peak gameplay from my side here. It's the first round of the day. I'm not expecting. I am dumb and intelligent at the same time. What am I doing? I don't know. Well done, Martyr. Real talk. I wonder about the 2S. Which way is he looking? Oh, he's looking that way. Oh, he's not even looking at me. Oh, his body is so clueless. I thought that his body had at least an idea of where I was. Yeah. Brother. They're defending this tank destroyer with their lives. I know he wanted me to do that, but I mean, what can his heat FS round really do? Bro. Where did he get my ammo at, bruh? Is my engine just damaged or is there a bomb here? I don't want to look. Did he not notice? Was he AFK or what happened there? Oh, he can shoot through that. But I'm so bad, bro. Bad at this game, bro. I'm so shit. Ouch! I should have just shot him through the frame. That's kind of crazy though. That exploded on my armament. Kinetic reactive armament. And then just went through my turret ring. It's kind of badass. I wanna just take the ZSU because I've seen some people. I would recommend attacking the point. I don't even know on what point I was, to be honest. Oh, see, that's why I wanted to take the ZSU. I am so intelligent. Could you come a little bit closer? I hit that? Oh no, it was something else. Push me, little bitch. Sucker. I didn't know you were that guy. Can I? Oh, I do not have gun depression. Where is he? He is dead. Yes! Finally a kill! He deserved that. Can't I penetrate him? Like... Yeah! Bro, imagine getting snatched by a ZSU. Yeah, that turn 3 can and will kill me, I think. Yeah. Nothing to be ashamed of, really. Oh, have they fixed that mechanic on the turn 3, or is that so? Is that a problem of the normal Warthunder version, or well, I don't even know where my team's at, bro. We have like 3 people. Yeah, going on to B. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. By what exactly? Oh. What? Didn't see him. That leaves me speechless. Was he flying, or did he exist? Was he still in the atmosphere? Just asking for a friend. I mean, BMP. I want that. I want you. I want you. I need you, bro. I need it right now. I mean, it was a nice fun round. So yeah. Bye bye, my friends. He's so goofy, bro. Look at him. Bruh.